One-legged chair pose, Ekapada Utkatasana. We'll stand in the Tadasana pose, legs parallel and arms down at the sides of the body. We'll raise the right leg and place it on the left thigh, with the right foot in dorsiflexion. We'll place both hands together, palm to palm, in front of the sternum. In this pose, we bend the supporting leg, lower the pelvis toward the rear, and maintain the spinal curves in a neutral, elongated position. While holding the pose, be sure to recruit the core muscles, hold in the pelvic floor and transverse abdominal muscles. The sacrum is tilted to the rear, as in the chair pose, Utkatasana, maintaining the lumbar lordosis in a neutral position and the back elongated. The muscles that stretch are the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, and piriformis. The core muscles that stabilize the spine are the hip joint of the upper leg is in flexion with external rotation. The stabilizing muscles on the supporting leg are the soleus, quadriceps femoris, gluteus maximus, and gluteus medius. Common problem: difficulties in stability and balance, or limited ability to stand on one leg. Solution: A. Perform the pose leaning on a wall behind the body. From this position of contact with the wall, gradually transition away from the wall and transfer the center of gravity forward. B. Sit on an elevated chair with a few cubes. Transfer the center of gravity forward gradually until you leave the chair. C. Use a chair for support, hand on the chair. The emphasis in these adaptations is on functional demand. In other words, exerciser must try to move away from the leaning position as much as they can.